Today, it's your chance to craft a 24 hours adventure, discovering the blend of history, beauty and scientific marvels that this city has to offer. You can think there is a few obstacles in the middle of that adventure, but there is a catch. The clock is ticking and you feel the pressure of making the most of your limited time in Belgrade. With so much to see and do, you must carefully prioritize your itinerary and ensure you don't miss out on the city's top experience. And just when you think everything under control, you are counting another hurdle. For a very short period of time, you don't have time to find a tour operator in the city, and maybe a tour won't be what you're looking for. Belgrade is steeped in history and culture, offering a treasure trove of sights and experiences. From ancient fortresses to modern art galleries, you will be overwhelmed by a sheer diversity of options. With limited time and unfamiliarity with the local transportation system, you can get into the dilemma of how to get around efficiently. And let's not forget about the culinary delights awaits you. How are you going to try Serbian cuisine? Where to go and how to choose a restaurant? Stick with me until the end of this adventure and I'll guide you through all barriers that can occur and help you to live in your feeling confident and inspire you to take on your own travel adventure. Start your day right in the heart of the city with a breathtaking view of St. Mark Church. The coffee is delicious, the atmosphere is welcoming, and there is always someone for conversation, a true taste of Serbian culture. Here in Serbia, coffee is more than just a drink in every part of the day, from morning to night. Want to dive into Belgrade's rich cultural and history tapestry in just 10 minutes? Step outside to St. Mark Church just across the street. You'll find the sarcophagus of Emperor Dusan the Mighty, and under his reign, Serbia flourished as the most dominant state in Southeast Europe. Intrigued? I'll drop the link below for deeper exploration. After enjoying art and history, head to Tasmajdan Park, right where the church stands. Take a leisurely walk and indulge in the serene surrounding. Don't miss out on one of Belgrade's must-see attractions, the Tesla Museum. Who doesn't know who Nikola Tesla was? Nikola was a visionary inventor whose contributions to science and technology have profoundly shaped the modern world. Inside the museum, you'll find a treasure trove of Tesla inventions, experiments, and personal artifacts, offering a glimpse into the mind of a true genius. To wrap up your day in Belgrade, immerse yourself in Serbian cuisine, and along the riverbanks, you'll find restaurants offering delectable dishes. Whether you crave traditional Serbian fare or something more eclectic, there's riverside eateries have something for everyone. Belgrade nestled between two rivers, an array of charming cafe restaurants lining their banks. If you're curious to explore more of what Belgrade has to offer, drop a comment below the video. I'd love to hear your thoughts of these ideas and whether you found this video helpful. Your feedback is invaluable in shaping future content, so please share your thoughts.